Okay, Lynn. So please listen to the audio and then draw and write the correct information given in this activity. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, here we go.
Part 4. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Look at the frog family in the park.
Yes. It's a beautiful day.
Find the frog in the tree.
Right.
Color his face red.
Okay. The frog in the trees got a red face.
Can you see the frog with a red face? This is an example. Now you listen and colour. 1.
Can you see the boat?
Yes?
One frog in the boat is fishing.
Oh, yes. He's got 3 fish.
Color his face purple.
Purple. Right.
Two.
I like the frog with the hat.
Where?
He's pointing to the bird.
Oh, yes. Can I color his face yellow?
Yes. Color his face yellow.
3.
There's a frog with a flower.
Sorry?
There's a frog with a flower.
Oh, yes. Color her face orange.
Orange? Okay.
4.
One frog is putting her hand in the water.
Oh, yes. She's in the boat, too.
She's very happy. Can I color her face pink?
Yes. Pink is a good color for a face.
5.
Find the frog with an ice cream.
I like ice cream.
Me too. Color her face brown.
A brown face? That's good.
Yes.
I love this picture now.
Now listen to part 4 again. 1.
Can you see the boat?
Yes?
One frog in the boat is fishing.
Oh, yes. He's got 3 fish.
Color his face purple.
Purple. Right.
2.
I like the frog with the hat.
Where?
He's pointing to the bird.
Oh, yes. Can I color his face yellow?
Yes. Color his face yellow.
3.
There's a frog with a flower.
Sorry?
There's a frog with a flower.
Oh, yes. Color her face orange.
Orange? Okay.
4.
One frog is putting her hand in the water.
Oh, yes. She's in the boat, too.
She's very happy. Can I color her face pink?
Yes, pink is a good color for a face.
Five.
Find the frog with an ice cream.
I like ice cream.
Me too. Color her face brown.
A brown face? That's good.
Yes.
I love this picture now.
That is the end of the Starters Practice Listening Test 1.
Okay. Are you done, Lynn? Done answering? Or
Yeah.
done giving answers? All right. So here, Lynn, I want you to tell me what are the tasks you did in this activity. First, what did you color? Color the fine. What did you do, Lynn? What are the tasks you gave? Given here. What to the man? Yeah.
Đó, thì cái chuyện là số em phát thọ.
Next.
Được, được chưa? Cái gì? Để ủng hộ nó sẽ theo. Cái này nó thọ. Là test em thì. Được rồi, test the flower. Để. Để. Orange. A man is a has a hat on the floor. The test is yellow. The world is the acronym is a brown.
They done?
Yes.
All right. So here are the tasks. First is color the face of the frog. Color the face of the frog fishing in the boat purple. The answer is correct. Very well. Next, number 2. Color the face of the frog with the hat pointing to the bird yellow. Let's check. Very good. You did great. Next, number 3. Color the frog with the flower orange. Where is it? There you go, orange. Number 4, color the face of the frog in the boat with her hand in the water. We have here, color it with pink, correct? And number 5, color the face of the frog with the ice cream brown. Perfect. Very good, Lynn. Look at here, Lynn. Okay, the last part of the listening activity was great. Okay, we're not yet done, Lynn. We still have few minutes left. So for the few minutes left, Lynn, we will be having speaking activity. Okay, let me share to you the screen for the speaking activity. So here, hello, I am teacher Jessa. What is your name?
Must be you.
Okay, your name is Leo. Natlin, how old are you?
And can you stop?
10 years old. Lynn, what do you often do, Lynn, on Sundays?
Something.
Well, what are the usual things that you do on Sunday, Lynn?
Finish the last part of the Go to the park.
Oh, you went to the park. You often go to the park during Sunday? Lynn? Okay, Lynn, what do you do at the park, Lynn? What do you do? Hi.
I
What do you do at the park, Lynn?
I was playing.
Then again,
I think I was playing.
you do roller skate. You know how to use roller skate?
It's
Oh, who's with you, Lynn, when you go to the park? Who do you go with?
I was my friend.
Okay, your friend. All right. Now here, Lynn, look at this one. How many people can you see in the picture, Lynn? How many people?
Now I'm 5 years old.
There are 5 people in the picture. And where do you think they are? Where are they, Lynn? They are in the...
They are in the rabbit.
Okay. And what here? How many girls can you see in the picture?
I can see 2 years.
Okay. I can see 4. Correct. You can see there are 4 people in the picture. And what animal can you, or what animals can you see in the picture?
I can see a
I
horse
can
and
see.
mouse.
All right, there you go. And here, how about the boys in the picture? What are they doing? The boys in the picture.
Your voice is playing the football.
All right, and what are they doing? They are?
In the
They are?
playing the football.
Okay, they are playing with the football correctly. Okay, so Lynn, I have here vocabulary words. What are the given words in the picture? What are the words, Lynn?
Balls.
We have wall. What else?
Seven.
Hang. What else?
Football.
Okay, what else? Whisper. Next.
Glass.
Glasses. Again.
Here.
And chips.
Yeah.
And we have giraffe. Right, there you go. Lynn, do you understand these words?
Yes.
Okay, that's great that you understand these words. Okay, now Lynn, I want you to look at this. This is a garden and the boys are playing football. Lynn, where is the bird in the picture?
The bird is in the tree.
On the tree. Oh, which part of the trees can you see the bird? Is it on the trunk? Is it on the root? On the stem? Where is the bird? The bird is on the
The bird is on
branch. Again, where is the bird? The bird is on the
bird on
branch of the tree. Can you see it? It's on the
Yeah.
branch of the tree. And how about the toys? Where are the toys?
The toy is next to the
The
baby.
toys are
Next to the baby.
okay next to the baby. Correct. Now, Lynn, can you see the spider in the picture?
Yes.
Yeah. Lynn, put the spider next to the elephant. Come on. Find where is the elephant. Put the spider next to the elephant. Come on, put the spider next to the elephant. Draw a line. Good. Next. Now, next, Lynn, put the other spider under the tree. Put the other spider under the tree. Okay, ready?
Yes.
All right, let's check. So here you go. Oh, very good. In the first task, you put the spider next to the elephant, and the other spider is under the tree. Correctly. Great work. Okay, good job. All right, Lynn. Now, I want you to find where's the t-shirt. Lynn, put the t-shirt between the skirt and the jeans. Put the t-shirt between the skirt and the jeans. Done. Next. Can you see the glasses, Lynn?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to put the glasses on the mouse. Put the glasses on the mouse. Okay. Now here, let's check your work. So first is, we have this one. Okay, very good. The t-shirt is between the skirt and the jeans, and the glasses is on the mouth. Very good, correct. Again. Very good, very good. Next, let's do the next one. Now here, Lynn, how many apples are there in the picture?
There are 4 apples.
Again, there are,
4 apples.
okay, there are 4 apples, correct. Now here, how many animals are there?
There are 3 animals.
There are 3 animals. What are the animals that you can see?
There are cat, mouse, and bird.
Okay, we have here cat, mouse, and bird. Perfect. Okay, now here, how about Lynn? What's the baby doing in the picture?
The baby is drinking a milk.
Drinking milk. And what are the women doing? The women.
The woman is
Are many.
the woman are
The women are, what are they doing?
the woman are talking.
Okay, they are talking to each other. Now here, Lynn, what you can see in the picture is a table tennis. Lynn, do you play table tennis?
Yes.
Yes. What sport do you play at school, Lynn? In the school? What are the sports you want to play?
No.
You don't, what are the sports you play in the school, Lynn? Do you play in the school or no?
No.
Yeah, what sport is it? What sport do you play? You play? What do you play in the school?
It's called as play badminton.
Okay, badminton. Next, Lynn, do you eat chips?
Yes.
Yes. What do you eat for lunch, Lynn?
I eat rice and chicken.
Rice and chicken is great. Okay, here, Lynn, look at the picture, the third picture. What's the third picture, Lynn? It's a picture of, what is that?
It's a giraffe.
Okay, it is a giraffe. Lynn, do you like animals?
Yes,
Yes. What's your favorite animal, Lynn?
it's a dog.
It's a dog. Lynn, can you share to teacher? Why do you like dog?
Uh,
I like dog because,
another is good.
okay, because it's cute. Do you have dog in the house?
No,
No. Okay, before. How about before? Did you had a dog before? Lynn, did you had a dog before?
mm,
Before, when you're still a child, do you have a dog?
no,
No. Okay, but you want to have a dog, right?
yes,
Yes. All right. So, Lynn, maybe in the future you will have a dog. Okay. Maybe your mom will let you take care of a dog when you are getting a bit older. Okay. So, Lynn, it's already time. That would be all for today, Lynn. Very good for today, Lynn. You did great. Oh, good job, Lynn. So, Lynn, next meeting we will have the final exam. Okay.
okay.
Okay, goodbye, Lynn. Goodbye. See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher. See you again.
Yes, see you again.